Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari could not open the page because the server stopped responding error on iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to load any website on Safari, you might see an error that server has stopped responding. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection. Or you can also try to go to your browser here, just swipe up and just open a new tab. And you just have to try to open any other website to see if your internet is working well or not. So for example, I'm gonna open this one here. Just open any website to check if your internet is working. So if your internet is working, so it might be that the server of the website has been down. So we just have to try to again after 1 hour or 2 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours. Or you can also try to use a VPN to get better results. Or if you're already connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. So go to settings, go to general here, try to disconnect your VPN from here. After disconnecting VPN, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches, or you can also try to clear the website data of your Safari browser. So just go back from here and just go to app section. Look for Safari app here and you just have to try to clear all the website data of your Safari app. Or just scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Tap on it and then tap on clear history. So it will clear all the history and website data only from your browser. So once you have done, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or sometimes it might be that the website you're trying to open is not available in your server. So you can try to connect with a different server using VPN. Open your app store and just try to search for VPN here and just install any of your VPN. I have already installed this. I'm using this one, so you can also try to use this one or use another one which you like. So after connecting to a VPN, your issue might have been fixed or you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.